Hello! In this video we are going to show you how you can easily bake healthy treats for your horse. You will need 50 grams of flax seeds, 4 tablespoons of agave nectar, 500 grams of oats and 2 medium-sized apples. Instead of apples you can also use 2 ripe bananas. First, grate the apples. If you use bananas, mash them up with a fork.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy.
Now add the oats.
I want you here with me. Am I out of my mind?
Next, add the flax seeds.
You made me sing about love. So just tell me if I'm wrong, but it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Yeah.
Last of all, add the agave nectar. Now mix it all together with a spoon or a fork. Add 100 milliliters of water and stir again. Set aside and let it rest for 10 minutes. Now you need to knead the dough till it's all well combined.
A little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now, baby. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want.
Make 4 equal pieces and shape them into rolls. Put them on a baking tray with baking paper and put the tray into the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Take the tray out of the oven and let the rolls cool off a little bit.
Walking home late at night, maybe 2:30. A little drunk, but I'm alright.
Depending on how big or small you want the treats to be, cut them into different or equal pieces.
Tell me if I'm wrong, 'cause it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Once you're done, put them again on the baking tray and bake them for another 45 minutes at 100 degrees Celsius.
And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you.
Take them out of the oven and you're done. Store them in a dry place. We usually put them in a paper bag. Let your pets enjoy the treats.
Am I out of my mind? Or is this how it should be? You made me sing about love. So just tell me if I'm wrong, but it feels like love.
Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and help us grow by subscribing to our channel.